If you want to make a perfect shape and shade direct composite makeover for your patient in very minimal timing, this method will help you achieve that in 1 hour or less. Just send us digital or conventional impressions with bite registration and 2 essential photos of an exaggerated smile. 1, profile in an upright position, and 2, lateral profile. In 2 days, our digital planning team will demonstrate by sending photos and videos via email or WhatsApp to propose a 3D digital smile design that suits the patient facial features and smile. You can check and modify. Then, approve the case planning once you are happy with it. We will 3D print out 2 wax-up models and 2 perforated stents. The first is tooth by tooth like this to help you isolate the contact point when you inject the composite material, and the second is a full wax-up to complete the work process. Also, we can customize any method you feel comfortable to use. This method will help you save time and energy by making a charming makeover for your patient with minimal timing and allowing you to polish the proximal contact points to enable your patient to floss. Contact us and our special case planning team will assist you in your case planning, and our logistics team will arrange for the pickup of your package from your office, regardless of your location on Earth. Just provide us with the necessary details and we will take care of the rest.